In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Microsoft Teams status always green. If you want to avoid unnecessary interruptions or simply want to ensure you appear available to your colleagues without any hassle, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll focus on how to manually set your status in Microsoft Teams and make it stick for as long as you need. First, you need to start by opening Microsoft Teams. This can be done by launching the Teams application on your computer or accessing the web version through your preferred browser. Once you're in, locate your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This small icon is your starting point for setting your status. Click on it to bring up your profile menu. Here you will find an option that shows your current status. It might say available, busy, or another choice based on your recent activity. What you want to do next is click on the current status display. This will provide a list of all possible statuses you can choose from. For our purpose today, select available to ensure you are perceived as online and ready to interact. Once you have set your status to available, you might be wondering how to keep it that way without frequent manual resets, especially if you're stepping away for a longer period. The trick lies in extending the duration of your status. To do this, look for the duration option right below your status setting. Click on duration and a menu will appear, giving you different time frame options. Instead of choosing from the preset durations, click on custom. The custom option will allow you to set your status for a specific amount of time exactly as you need it. Here you can decide to keep your status available for the entire workday or any other time frame that suits your needs. For instance, you might choose to set it for 8 hours if you're planning to be available throughout your working hours. By doing this, you ensure that your status won't automatically change to idle or another setting after a short period of inactivity, thus keeping it consistently green. These steps provide a straightforward way to maintain an available status in Teams. Whether you're in continuous meetings, away from your desk temporarily, or just prefer to have some uninterrupted time, setting your availability manually and customizing the duration is a quick, effective way to manage your presence. Remember, staying active in Teams not only facilitates better communication with your team, but can also help you stay visible and accessible in a virtual workspace. Hopefully, these instructions will assist you in achieving a seamless online experience. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to leave your questions or suggestions in the comments.